Is it me or does it look like it needs something else? Looks like it's missing something. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you can get the fresh content when it comes out. Today I've got something different going on today. Today we're going to be putting on some stickers. I got these from LMR, and they're supposed to go in your side skirts and your rear valence. When I got the car painted, I had some blue ones in there and they looked all right, but I had a blue stripe on the top, so it matched it. So right now we're gonna go with the black ones, and we're gonna start with the rear on how to put that on, and then we're gonna go from there. Hopefully it goes on the way I want it to go on and we don't have any problems. These are not perfect by any means. Definitely got to take your time with it, because you can't hardly see past the little backing that they use. It's not perfect, but if you're following from behind, it's gonna look pretty good. It's not too bad of a job. The letters aren't perfectly shaped or perfectly formed to fit inside of the Mustang GT, but it works. I mean, because the other ones that I had on there, they were blue, and I got used to looking at those. After a while, it didn't look as bad, but if you don't try to critique it, it looks okay. And once again, it is definitely not a fast process. But that's what we did today. And I've got the sides to do. I'm not going to take you through all that torture on how I do the sides, because they're going to be done the exact same as the rear bumper. There's one more thing I wanted to show you before we close this video out. And that's remember I was talking about the overspray that I had like everywhere. Here's some of it that's on my wheels. You'll probably see it. It looks like a haze. It looks like a haze, like a little film over it. Maybe be able to see it. But it looks like there's a haze over it. That is overspray, boys and girls. And anybody knows that when you get a car painted, you're supposed to have it covered up where there's no overspray or anything like that. So there's more cleanup you have to do if there is overspray. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take some of this overspray off, and I'm going to show you a good way to take it off of your chrome wheels. All right, get you a rag. Get a bunch of these at Walmart. But I have a brake cleaner, non-chlorinated brake cleaner. I just spray it on the rag. Get it nice and saturated. Come over to the wheel itself. And look at there. Overspray is gone. That is how it should look. No overspray, nice chrome shine. That's what you're looking for. And that'll help take that overspray off of your wheels. Be very, very careful not to get any of that on your paint, because it will peel your paint off if you let it get on there, and especially if you let it sit. But after you use the brake cleaner on there, you want to go back with a polish and polish the wheels. Make sure they have a nice shine. Make sure you take all that brake cleaner off, and after that, polish them up with some kind of polish. I think I'm going to use turtle wax more than likely, or I have that semi-chrome that I showed you in a previous video. I'm probably going to use that, see if I can shine these things up a little bit, get them a little bit more presentable. But as for right now, appreciate you checking me out. Talk to y'all later.